What's up, Facebook? I'm sitting here on the front porch. I'm actually standing on the front porch of this house we just got under contract. I wanted to show a little walkthrough of it. First, I'll show you the front elevation. It's got some great curb appeal. This is in Covington, Louisiana. Hopefully the glare isn't too bad. So it's got that big dormer at the top there. It's got a nice big porch. See all those azalea bushes definitely need to get trimmed. We got a nice birch tree here, I believe, and another one over there. Got some huge crepe myrtles on the corners. But it's a beautiful house. It's raised about 4 feet, 5 feet maybe. So let's check out the inside. I think that's actually locked right there. So this house came to us, the owner needed to sell fast, and so we were able to get it at a good deal, but one of the negotiations we had to give up was an inspection period. So we actually just got under contract as is, and there's really no way we can get out of this contract, but we're pretty comfortable in it. We did a walkthrough, obviously. So this is the kitchen. It's got this granite, which I believe is like sandstone or something. Let's see where the light is. But we're gonna redo this kitchen. You can probably spend about 10 grand in here, kind of reorganizing all the cabinets, maybe getting some different granite, because the shape is just a little weird. You see, these are actually wall cabinets that should be up high, but they're down low because there's just not enough room. There's not enough room right here between this wall, because the door's so big. This is like a 36-inch door, and so we're just gonna have to redesign that, get some new appliances, bring this backsplash up the whole wall. I don't know why they stopped it there, but so far what we can tell, this is a great house in great shape. Just needs some cosmetic updates. Check out this back porch, it's incredible. It's got 3 sets of French doors. One of them is the master, leads out to here. It's only about 2 acres. We're like in the heart of Covington right now. You can see some garden stuff over there. There's a river, creek back there. Super peaceful. So awesome property. And then there's just tons of woods back there for people to go, exploring. So let's check out the rest real quick. This is a living room. It's slightly dated. The colors on the walls. It's new paint, but just it's not as fresh as it could be. This flooring isn't bad, but so this is hand scraped flooring. You probably can't tell from the video. It's engineered hardwood. Oh, I think there's some extra in here actually. So it's engineered hardwood, which is good. However, so see the grooves in it? It's hand scraped. So the negative to that is you can't refinish it. You can re-oil it and maybe get that shine and that luster back, but you can't sand it at all, which is a bummer. So we'd probably have to pull all this up and do something else. We're thinking like heart pine flooring, maybe. It's not a huge area. It's a 2,400 square foot house, but a lot of that's upstairs. And that's all carpeted. We'll keep the carpet because it's relatively new. All right, we'll check out the master real quick. So this is the master. Like I said, it's got the French doors that lead out to the deck, which is cool. It's got new flooring in here. This is just laminate flooring from Home Depot. You could probably get it for under $1 a square foot. Traffic Masters. Here's the brand right here. It's Lakeshore Pecan. And we've actually used this in some of our other remodels. It's great value. People love the look of it and the feel of it, as long as you use a high quality underlayment. So here's the master bathroom, which definitely needs some reworking. Be nice to have a double sink. Maybe do away with this build out and do a smaller clawfoot tub so you can move it in some and get that double sink. And then just, it's got that, whatever, not plastic, but that drop-in shower that we could do a custom shower there for a couple grand. And I think it'd be super, it'd add a lot of value to that master bedroom. So yeah, that's basically the house. This is a little office, but it's also a fourth bedroom. See, they put vinyl flooring down here, so it's all glossy. And that would definitely need to get ripped up. All fixed up, this house would go for $300,000. And you don't want vinyl flooring in a $300,000 house. So, hope this guy stays. I don't know what I'd do with it, but that's awesome. All right, well, yeah, so that's it. We got this at such a good price, actually. If we sell it before we close on it, we're either gonna fix it ourselves or sell it to another investor and let them rehab it, because we actually have a couple other deals that we're looking at and we can't do all of them. So it's cool to have options in real estate, and that's what we're looking forward to with this one. So, all right, thanks, Blake. Later, Facebook. Thanks for watching.